excited about all the amazing things that you're going to learn this year. Do you all remember what is a computer? Anyone of you? Let's do a quick revision. A computer is an electronic device that takes instructions from us and gives the result after processing them. Computers can help us work very fast without making any mistakes. We can also play games, watch movies, listen to songs, and carry out so much tasks on it. There are different types of computers. Let's find out more about them. The first is a supercomputer. Supercomputers are very big and powerful. They work very fast and can store a lot of information. These computers are used for weather forecasting and research purpose. The second one, we have a desktop computer. Desktop computers are small and placed on a desk. These computers are usually used in homes, schools, and offices. The third type of a computer is a laptop. You must have seen your teacher or parents use a laptop to finish their work. A laptop is a small, lightweight, and portable computer that works on battery. The fourth type of computer is a tablet PC. It is a special type of computer which is small in size but can do so many things. The last one is the smallest computer. A smartphone is another type of computer. It is a lot like a tablet PC but much smaller. You can do so many things on a smartphone. You can make a call, you could make a document, can listen to music, and so on and so forth. Now, let's talk about different uses of a computer. In the school, you can use a computer to teach, learn, and study in the lab, send reports and circulars to students, keep records of fees, prepare the results, and even prepare presentations and question papers. In the office, a computer can be used to type and print documents, send and receive emails, and keeping records of the employees. In the bank, computers have very different uses. It can be used to withdraw money from an ATM, maintain customer accounts, and keep records of money. At home, computers play a different role. You can use a computer to play games, watch movies, maintain monthly expenses, listen to music, and do your homework. Computers are also used at railway station and the airport. They use it for reservations and cancellations. They even use it to keep records of the arrival and the departure of trains and flights. Computers at hospitals help maintain records of the patients, diagnose diseases, and prepare medical records. That's all for today, kids. Keep learning and be future ready.